It's time to get ready for Christmas. Come on in. This video is sponsored by Apron Diva. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. It's December 1st and the first day of Vlogmas, and I'm ready to get my Christmas started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take away my Thanksgiving and fall decor. And then I like to bring out some holiday scents with my dishwashing liquid, my multi-purpose cleaner, and my hand wash. So it's time to get these put away. And I've got some Mrs. Meyer's Iowa Pine dish soap. It has such a fresh scent, and it makes me think of pine trees, which of course I associate with the Christmas holiday season. So I've got the dish soap, the multi-purpose cleaner, and the hand soap. And funny thing, I like to try to match the color with the kitchen, and since I've got green walls, I'm loving this green label. So that's the second thing I'll do, is put out my holiday scents, and then I'll get out my planner and my 21 days to get your house ready for the holidays checklist and see what needs doing. So now let's take a look at that. And I almost forgot, it's time to remove my chicken. We'll flip the calendar to December. So now I've got a December rooster. I'm going to go ahead and get my planning done for this Christmas season. I hope you will join me as often as I am able to share a Vlogmas with you. I can't promise every day, but I'll do what I can. I'll just bring you along as I get my Christmas started. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Well, it's time to take down Thanksgiving and put up Christmas, so let's get that started. I've really enjoyed having this wreath here in my entryway, but now it's time to put it away and put up my Christmas wreath. So the first thing I'm going to do is just collect all these Thanksgiving or fall items from here, and then I'm going to clean it because of course it is time to clean my entryway. And part of the things that I had put on it to do for this week was to decorate the entryway. I'll need to change these out too. Here's my little American flag. It always sits here in that corner. I've been missing it. Okay, so now let me get some things and we'll clean this up. When I did my weekly home blessings and I cleaned all the mirrors, I wasn't able to clean this one because the wreath was on it. But now that I've got it off, I can go ahead and get it cleaned up, and then I'll replace it with the Christmas wreath, and then I won't be able to clean it again until I get that down. Since the entryway is the first thing people see when they come into the house, I like to make sure it's welcoming. That means making sure it's nice and clean, and then at holiday season, some welcoming holiday decor. I don't know how this floor always gets so messy, especially back in this corner. I think every time we open the door, things just kind of blow in and get in these corners, but it's always the chore to get it cleaned out. So now is a good time to get it done. I just love this Christmas wreath. I just love the rustic look of it. And my theme for the past couple of years has been a woodland or rustic Christmas. So this is going to fit perfectly. think I'm gonna have to sweep the floor up again. I've got little branch particles all over the floor. I just love my little Dyson stick vacuum. It's got so many attachments that are just so helpful. It's just so practical. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to check it out. But you can also visit my Amazon store. I've got one in there too that you might be interested in. I've got the decor started here in the entryway. I'm thinking I'd like to put my little picture that I have up there, but hubby hasn't gotten that down out of the attic yet. There's a couple other things that I need to get put back up in the attic before he'll get some of those things down. So I think I'll be stopping today right here. So there will be more decor added to this entryway, this little table, and I also like to put a Christmas tree back here in the corner. And if not a Christmas tree, at least some kind of holiday decor, so that if you're in there and you're looking this way, not only do you see this bench and the mirror, but you also see something festive over there. I've got a good start though. I got my wreath on the mirror, my Noel sign up, and I've got my wreath on the door so that my guests can feel welcome when they come in. They'll see that. So I'm real pleased with that. So I invite you to join me tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. And this video is brought to you by our patrons of Apron Diva, my online apron boutique. Pretty and practical, we believe that an apron can be a homemaker's best accessory. Visit us at www.aprondiva.com.